3. In this video, I'll show you how to export your code from Replit. First, sign into your Replit account and open the project you want to export. Next, click the three-dot menu for your project or open the project menu, then select the option to download a zip or export, depending on the options available for your project. After that, wait while Replit prepares your project files. Once the download is complete, save the zip file to your computer and extract it to access all of your project's files and folders. Now, open the exported project in your preferred code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Install any required dependencies if needed, then run the project locally to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, continue developing your application on your local machine, upload it to a Git repository, or deploy it using your preferred hosting platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export your code from Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.